Okay, well, let's get started here with take number 2. I made a big mistake on my first video, so here I'm doing a second one here. I'm going to talk about this Tusk aftermarket steering wheel, which I have installed on this 2016 RZR 900 Trail. And to show you how this process works, I'm going to demonstrate how to take the steering wheel off of the 2015 RZR 570 and put a different steering wheel, the one that was on here, on the RZR 570. So, let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is make sure the wheels are perfectly straight and the steering wheel is perfectly straight. And then you will need a 15/16 socket, which is right here, along with a 1/2 inch ratchet or breaker bar or impact wrench if you prefer. Let's get this off and I'll show you how it comes off. Simply loosen the nut here. Then, take a rubber mallet and hit the back of the steering wheel, just like so, and it should pop off there. There we go, just like so. Let's see if the RZR 900 steering wheel that I took off will work on this RZR 570. Looks like it'll work. Let's put the nut back on and tighten it up. There you have it. It's very quick and easy to put an aftermarket steering wheel on your RZR 900, 570, or even XP Turbo, or even if you got a Can-Am Maverick X3. It is very easy to change the steering wheel, and I just cannot figure out why so many of these YouTubers out here don't change their ugly aftermarket or their ugly factory steering wheel. As I said earlier, this is the factory steering wheel off of my 2016 RZR 900, which I have now installed on this 2015 RZR 570. And